going to the beach. Supposed to go from here, or I think I'm supposed to go from here. Well, I gotta look at the map. So I kind of fucked up. My wallet is back in the hotel room, and I'm near the beach already. But I didn't bring water, and I'm not going to drink salt water. But the challenge is go have a swim and go back to the hotel to grab my card without dying from dehydration. Good day. I gotta say, Kish is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Streets are nice. You got palm trees. You got flowers everywhere, even though it's summer. They're living their life, you know? And yeah, it's a nice place to live. Oh, fun fact. If you've lived in Kish for a very long time, start calling you Kish Island. And Shahvand is the direct translation of citizen. So I'm assuming if you're trying to say that in English, you would say Kish Island. Cool. Honestly, it is 37 degrees right now, but it doesn't feel like 37 degrees. It's like birds flying out and everywhere. And I think that's because it's slightly humid and there's like a slight breeze. So that works like air conditioning for the island. Good day. This was about a 15-minute walk. And to be honest, I feel like it was no effort at all. And look at the prize. Look, I'm not trying to say that everybody should move to Kish. I'm just trying to say that every hood in Iran can find inspiration for building up their hood right here. The sand is hot. Cool off. The balance between the humidity and the breeze, and of course the sea, all of that combined makes it bearable. And not just bearable, it actually makes it enjoyable. So, good day. Iran is a very lovely place, but